Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to give you a bit of a boring lesson, but a very quick tutorial on how to organize your clips in Premiere Pro, okay? So, whatever you're editing, what's important is to organize everything before you even start, okay? It's going to streamline the whole process and just make your life 10 times easier, especially if you have more than like a handful of clips, okay? So I've just downloaded all of these different images from the internet, okay, and I'm going to show you how to organize them. So first things first, I should say. I want to change this view because I can't see any of them or what they're called. See, now I can. So now let's just let's change the name of these. The very first thing we're going to do, okay? Ooh. So let's just do man in road, and I will speed up this whole thing. Okay, so I've named them all now. This makes finding them a hell of a lot easier. So if we want, we can go back to list view, and now we know exactly what every single one is. So to organize, you want to open a bin. Okay, it's in this bottom right corner of this panel, and let's make a bin for the men. So then, what we can do once you've made this bin, is you can drag every video that applies to that one that you want to sort into that bin, okay? So that's all of the men are in that bin. Now let's make another bin for the women. Just like that, and then again, you want to just do the same thing and just drag all of them in. Or you can in turn make the bin before you drag the footage in, which might make it a little bit easier, but for today's video I wanted to show you how to do it sort of the long way. And then the last one, helicopter, there's only one footage, so let's not worry about that one. And that's a bin in the women one now. So we have all of the women in here, and all of the men in this one. I don't have that many videos, so for me, I would probably stop here, and this would be enough for me to organize. But what could help, especially if you have a lot more videos, is to make a second bin, maybe a bit more descriptive. So we'll do women outdoors, okay? And let's drag that into the women one. And then women indoor, that's indoors. Women looking up, that's outdoor, I know that. Women by sea is outdoor, I know that. And then the same thing is do women indoors. I won't show this on the men because you already get it. It's the exact same thing that we were doing before. And then women indoor, that's indoors. Women in curtain, that's indoors. Okay, so hopefully this is all starting to make a bit of sense. that now you have all of these bins. Oh, forgot to put that in there. Hopefully this is now starting to make a bit of sense. So then when you go back into this thing in the bottom left, you have bins. So when you have hundreds and hundreds of footage, you can go, right, I need a man. Well, we'll do a woman actually. All right, I need a woman, and I need to be indoors, and then there's your footage. Okay? That is how to organize in Premiere Pro. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.